China, the rise of fully autonomous dark factories. 24/7 smart manufacturing without workers or lights. The next industrial revolution. The manufacturing sector is experiencing a paradigm shift, fueled by advancements in automation, artificial intelligence, AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, and data-driven analytics. A major breakthrough in this transformation is the rise of fully autonomous dark factories, high-tech facilities that function without human intervention, operating 24/7 to maximize efficiency, precision, and output. Understanding dark factories. A dark factory is an advanced production facility that runs entirely on automation, eliminating the need for on-site human workers. These factories leverage AI-driven robotics, interconnected IoT systems, and sophisticated automation protocols to maintain seamless operations. Since they do not require human presence, they function without lighting, reducing energy consumption and operational costs while ensuring consistent product quality. Core features of fully automated factories. End-to-end automation. Dark factories integrate robotics and AI to manage all aspects of production, from material handling and assembly to packaging and quality assurance. This reduces human error, accelerates production, and ensures high precision in manufacturing. Intelligent machine networks. With AI and IoT connectivity, machinery within dark factories communicates in real time, making autonomous adjustments and predicting maintenance needs. This proactive approach enhances operational efficiency and minimizes downtime. AI-powered quality control. Machine learning algorithms continuously monitor products for inconsistencies and defects. This automated quality assurance process ensures superior product standards while reducing material waste and rework. Ultra-clean manufacturing environments. Industries such as electronics and pharmaceuticals require contamination-free environments. Dark factories use autonomous air purification and dust removal systems to maintain sterile conditions without human intervention. High-speed, scalable production. Automation allows for unparalleled production speed, with some facilities capable of assembling units in mere seconds. The scalability of dark factories enables manufacturers to meet growing demand without compromising on quality. Energy-efficient and sustainable operations. Dark factories optimize energy consumption by dynamically adjusting power use based on demand. This not only lowers operational costs, but also promotes eco-friendly manufacturing practices. The rise of smart manufacturing investments. The expansion of dark factories is driven by substantial investments in automation and AI technologies. Companies worldwide are channeling billions into developing these next-generation production hubs, recognizing their ability to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain superior quality. Modern dark factories span vast areas and are capable of producing high-tech products, including consumer electronics, automobiles, and pharmaceuticals. These facilities set new benchmarks for manufacturing scalability and cost-effectiveness. The evolution of industrial automation. Dark factories represent the next frontier in industrial automation. Earlier advancements laid the groundwork for robotic production lines, AI-driven analytics, and real-time monitoring. Today, fully autonomous factories are redefining how products are manufactured with greater speed, efficiency, and consistency than ever before. How dark factories will shape the future. The transition to fully autonomous manufacturing will have far-reaching implications. Higher productivity. Uninterrupted 24/7 operation significantly boosts production output. Enhanced quality assurance. AI-driven real-time monitoring minimizes defects and maximizes reliability. Sustainable manufacturing. Automated energy management systems contribute to eco-friendly production. Shifting workforce demands. While manual labor declines, demand for skilled professionals in AI, robotics, and data science grows. Global industrial competitiveness. Companies adopting smart factories gain a competitive advantage in efficiency and innovation. Conclusion: a new era of manufacturing. Dark factories are no longer just a futuristic vision. They are actively reshaping the manufacturing industry. By harnessing AI, IoT, and automation, companies can unlock unprecedented efficiency, scalability, and sustainability. As technology continues to evolve, fully autonomous factories will become the new standard, revolutionizing global production and setting the stage for a future driven by intelligent automation. The manufacturing industry is stepping into an era where speed, precision, and sustainability define